Welcome to this session on how to add a VMware Cloud Verified data center. After you become a VMware Cloud Verified partner, at some point in time, you may want to add additional data centers. This presentation will walk you through a simple step-by-step process of how you can do this. To start, go to cloud.vmware.com/provider validation/login and click on Apply Now. Next, you will log in with your VMware Partner Connect Secure Partner Login as shown on this screen. Then, you will update your profile as shown here. Next, you will click on the See Details button that I have shown on the screen. On the next page, you will scroll about halfway down the page. Then you will click on the button that says Add Data Center. When you come to the next screen, you will need to add the country, state, and city of your new data center. You will also click on the checkbox that asks you if you want to submit this data center location for cloud verification validation. You do want to submit this for cloud verified validation. This will send a notification to the Cloud Verified administrative team that there is a new application to validate. Also, don't forget to click on the Save button on the screen. Now you have completed the process of adding a new data center, and the Cloud Verified team has received your application. You should get an email approval within about 72 hours. But if you don't hear from us for some reason, please feel free to email at cloudverifiedbadge@vmware.com. Thank you for your time today, and you can always reach out to Amanda Travis or Edith Winokur for help walking you through your Cloud Verified application process or for adding new data centers. Thank you and have a great day.